Hey, what's up? This is Darren with Audio Designs and Custom Graphics in Jacksonville, Florida, working on a 2020 Corvette C8 Stingray. We did a Escort Max CI 360 in here with the radar sensors and laser jammers. On the front here, we did custom mounts. You can see we had to do a compound angle. So we have these level, they have to be level up and down and side to side. You can't have them point them up or point them down. So we made some custom brackets there. Made those out of 3/8 inch plexiglass, so they match the finish of the car. And then the sensor for the radar is basically right here, behind the plastic. So you can put the radar behind the plastic, and the lasers have to be exposed. And then coming to the back here, we did the laser jammers in the back, right above the tag, off to the sides a little bit. And then down here in the bottom is where the rear radar sensor is. And those are also level. And then coming inside the car, we did the little buttons here, the control panel here. Do your volume and all that, power, turn it up. And then right here, we did the screen. And then we have the, there's actually a GPS antenna. We have that hidden right up underneath the dash up here. So everything's real nice and clean, out of the way. So if you're in Jacksonville, give us a call, 904-333-2322. You can check us out. Store.audiodesigncg.com. Give us a call.